Okay, a little more. A little more. Okay, one more. One more. And give some to baby goat right here. Baby goat. That little baby goat, he's just not getting any. There we go.
Alright, that's going to be it. We have to save some.
There's something over here in the container.